Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and English. In today's video, we are going to discuss the use of one more conjunction which is so that. So that is also a correlative conjunction. In this video, we are going to cover some points like what is the meaning of so that and what is the use of so that. Then we will see some examples. So let's start our today's video. Meaning of so that. We use so that in the place of in order to, in order that, as, so as to, and you can say this is the meaning of so that. Use of so that. So that is a correlative conjunction as we read before, which connect two sentences or clauses, which is used to talk about purpose, result, cause, aim. So why do we use so that? We generally use so that to tell about purpose, result, cause and aim. It is often followed by normal verb like can, could, may, might, will, would. When we connect two sentences or clause with the help of so that, so we can also use these modal verbs, or most of the time we use these modal verbs like can, could, may, might, will, would, etc. Let's see how can we make sentences with the help of so that. Structure will be like this: subject, then auxiliary verb, then so, then adverb or adjective, that, subject, auxiliary verb again, then verb, then objective. Or we can make like this: subject, then auxiliary verb, then verb will become, then object will become, after object so that, then subject, then auxiliary verb, then object. And you can understand this with the help of examples. Now let's come to the examples. Our first example is: he is so weak that he will not win the fight. So here we are connecting two clauses with the help of so that, and after auxiliary verb we used so. And next is: you are so exhausted that you can't do more work. In this sentence we are also connecting two sentences and we are talking about the result, that you can't do more work. In both the sentences we are talking about the result. Understand more examples. First is: he works so hard that he can earn money. Here we are also connecting two sentences with the help of correlative conjunction and we are talking about the result. Next is: she is so talented that she will win the task. Because she is so talented, so result is she will win the task. In this sentence we are also talking about the result. Here are our second structure examples, that I am making pizza so that I can eat. We are connecting two clauses and here we are using so that in middle after the first clause. In first sentence she or he is making pizza so that in second sentence he can eat. In second sentence he is talking about result. Next is: I want to go for a walk so that I can feel fresh. Here so that is connecting two sentences and we used it in middle. In first sentence or first clause she wants to go for a walk. Now you can also use so that with the help of this rule, structure and examples. I hope now you understand all the examples and now you will not be confused while using of so that in your conversation. If you learned something new, so please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my videos.